In today's video, we're taking a look at how to clean and season your wok. Easy and simple. This is so easy, anyone could do. Everything that we use on the video, we're going to leave a link on the description. We're going to show today how to clean your wok 4 different ways. And basically what this means is, depending on how much stuck on food or rust you have on your wok. And we're going to go from the least stuck on food and rust to the most. But you can choose which way you want to clean it because you are the king, queen, both, none of your castle. The first way is the easiest of them all, and this is basically just wiping any food particle left on the wok. And this is good to do right after you finish cooking when the wok is still hot but manageable, preferably when you use oil and nothing sticks to the wok. And remember, when working with heat, the most important thing is safety, because the last thing you want is a permanent reminder of that day that you were getting your black belt in wok cleaning. The second way is adding hot water to your wok right after you finish cooking. And you can use the same utensil you use to stir fry or cook the food that you were cooking to scrape off any food particles stuck on the wok. Then you would just finish it, rinsing it on the sink and then drying it off. The third way is using a all-natural abrasive like kosher salt or any granulated salt that you might have, and basically taking a napkin or a paper towel and using the salt as an abrasive to remove any stuck on food or rust that the wok may have. If you don't have salt, you can use a green scrub pad. But let's say you have a lot of rust or a lot of stuck on food or both, or if you just got your wok for the first time, the best way is to take the wok using warm water and using a metal scrub pad, preferably stainless steel, a few drops of dish detergent, and using a little bit of elbow grease, we can go ahead and scrub away any stuck on food, rust, or any oils or elements might have come from the factory when making the wok. Once we finish scrubbing, we go ahead and rinse the wok until we make sure that we remove any detergent with water. A good rule of thumb is if you use any cleaning chemical like dish detergent on your wok, then you're gonna need to have to season it. Let's go ahead and take the wok to the stove and show it who's the grand master wok dominator in the household. We take a paper towel, rag, or a kitchen towel and dry it off. We turn on the stove to make sure that we remove any water or humidity on the wok. We let the wok cool down a little bit and get our high point smoke oil, and what we're gonna do is using a paper towel is cover the whole pan on the inside with oil, preferably a neutral kind of oil like canola oil, peanut oil, grapeseed oil, sunflower oil, or even sometimes vegetable oil, but you don't want to use olive oil. Once we do that, we go ahead and take a new paper towel and wipe the excess oil off, but also remembering not to remove the oil completely. Once again, we're going to turn on the stove to high and let this baby burn. Basically what we want to do is burn off the oil to make a solid coat. This is what's going to make your wok non-stick, easier to cook, and seasoned. Depending on your stove, this might take from 10 minutes to 20 minutes to 30 minutes. And a pro tip, don't be scared to use your wok or cast iron. It's just a pan, skillet, or wok. Remember, you're the master. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.